Hello guys, welcome to today's motovlog. Today we are going up to Newcomb Ranch. We've got T right there in his BMW. We got Rod right there in his CBR 600 RR, and Dari in the back with his CB 500F, I think. Ooh, look at those rocks, they're pretty. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we got Noe in the back with his Toyota G6 and Richard in his Camaro. Let's have some fun. Today is going to be a little bit special because Rod brought his drone, so for the first time ever, my motovlog channel will get some drone footage. Woohoo! So the plan for today is to go up to Newcomb Ranch and eat there, hang out, you know, and get some nice drone footage on the way up there. And wow, these are some nice roads, man, some nice twisties.
Oh shit.
They are pretty nice, but there's a lot of potholes. What is up with that, man? Finally, the car moves out of the way. Now we can go. Here we go. And we got a trailer in front of us. Oh no. I've been thinking a lot lately about getting a new bike. Like I want to trade this bike right here because it's a little too underpowered. Before I wouldn't worry about having this bike because it was a commuter bike, but now I've been doing a lot of ooh, look at this castle. But yeah, but now I've been doing a lot of mountain ridings, and this bike is really slow. Like it really lacks in power, especially when we go uphill. And when I try to keep up with people, I struggle and I fall behind. I fall way behind. So after we're finished with this mountain riding, we might go to Chaparral Motorsport, check out some motorcycles, and see which bike I might want to get, or which bike I might want to trade this bike in for. Well, we're pretty high up, man. Woo, that looks scary on the right side. Stopping for a bit right now. Hey guys, we're about 40 miles up the hill now. Yeah, these are some pretty nice roads, man. We got Noe's Toyota 86 right here, and then Richard's Camaro. And it goes to my little bike, the 300 that could.
Oh, what's up? What you carry here? I didn't see you.
You were waiting for that, man.
Yeah. Anh em gì?
Alright guys, we are done with the photo shoot and stuff like that. So now we're gonna go to Newcomb Ranch. Newcomb Ranch or Newcomb Ranch? Newcomb. Alright, it should be another 36 miles to go. 20 miles, okay. We were trying to get some drone shots, but his drone is updating right now since he hasn't used it for over a decade, 10 years? Damn, that's a long time. Alright, let's go. It's getting a little bit more colder right now, but the twisties are great, man. Although I'm behind Roth and he's going a little bit slow. But that's alright, man. Better to go at a safe speed and learn. Three-wheelers and we still give them the peace sign. Respect, homie. Ah, this place smells like porta potty. Whew. Right, so we fell a little bit behind, so Tia and Dari right there, those two up ahead, had to wait for us. Yay! Woo! I can't see, it's too dark. I used to have that car.
This fool is running a Honda 2000.
I miss it, man. Alright, so right now we're waiting for them to clear us to go past because they're doing some work up ahead. He stopped traffic because of construction right here. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe they're fixing a road.
This fool is running a Honda 2000.
Woo! Yeah, buddy. That was awesome, man. Alright, so we stopped a little bit. And the S2000 stops again. I guess you just want to drive really slow. But we got the RX-7 in front of us right there. Alright guys, we are here, Newcomb Ranch. Noe suddenly decides to park next to the Ferrari right here. Very nice, very nice. Alright, that was a nice Ferrari owned by that guy right there. It's kind of quiet today, huh?
Yeah, it's quiet. Saturday and Sunday. Usually this is packed, and sometimes Jay Leno comes up here too.
Those are mine, man. What are you doing on my bike, man? Alright, you guys. I ordered myself a chicken tender. And now we're gonna go head back down the 2 highway. And this guy is dancing. Alright, here we go. Richard's right there behind Dari. Right, so that was a pretty nice little break that we got right there. Newcomb Ranch is a pretty nice place, man. Y'all should go visit it. Alright, we stopped at this little loop right here. Rod's gonna probably fly his drone up. We tried to do it earlier, but we had some issue. He had to update his drone. Success! Success! Woo! Now we're gonna head back down and possibly go to Chaparral. Possibly. Alright, here we go! Alright, so it's been about 10 miles. And we're going downhill most of the time, and I must say that I am getting better at riding. I think I outgrew this Ninja 300, so I do want to get a more powerful bike. Now we're going inside the tunnel. Yippee! Oh, it's pretty chilly right now. I think the temperature is probably at like around 60 degrees or maybe 50 degrees. But yeah, it gets pretty cold up here. And it snows here sometimes from what I heard. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. You too, Civic, thank you. We may be slow, but there are cars that are slower than us. But damn, look at the epic scenic view right here. We are on top of the world. That's amazing, man. I'm really hoping that GoPro picks this up, man, but it never does. Maybe it's because I need the GoPro Hero 5 or 6. Alright, back in the little town area. But yeah, we're pretty much almost done with the space. Just we'll go about a mile here, make a right, and then make a left, and then about 10 more miles we are outie. It's a nice little ride, man. I really enjoyed it. Okay, so this little town area is called Wrightwood. That's where we are at. Wrightwoody. Just kidding, just a Wrightwood. It was kind of cold up there, so now it feels like I'm getting the sniffles. Whee! Man, this place looks like it would be spooky at nighttime. Spooky kooky. Cookie ookie. Alright, see? We're back down to the straightaway right here. Well, not straightaway yet, but soon it shall be straightaway. I can see the freeway from there. But oh man, once we got down here, it got a little bit hot. Or shall I say a lot of bit hot. It jumped up by like 20 degrees, man. And it feels like we're in a desert right now, man. It feels like we are in Nevada. But we are not in Nevada. We are still in California. California knows how to party. Look at that big ass rock. It looks unusual because we're not used to seeing rocks like those in California. I think we should go in front of Richard. Okay, and just like that, we are out. I guess I might end it right now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's motovlog, and if you did, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and activate that bell notification to be notified of my new videos. See you later.